Today, we're guiding you through the process of unlocking an iPhone with a broken screen using Any Unlock. To start, download Any Unlock, your go-to tool for an unresponsive touchscreen. Next, connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Once connected, choose the Unlock Screen Passcode feature in Any Unlock and click Start. The tool will initiate a scan of your device. Customize the download path for organization. After setting things in motion, Any Unlock downloads the necessary firmware. Take a break, grab a cup of coffee, and patiently wait for the download to complete. Now that the download is finished, click Unlock Now to proceed. Keep your device connected throughout the process, avoiding any unplugging or use, as it could necessitate starting over. Just like that, Any Unlock successfully unlocks your iPhone's broken screen, overcoming the hurdle and restoring access to your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!